Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Bonk itself, see what is happening with the price of Bonk, and of course what is yet to come. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As we're looking at the entire market today, especially after the daily close, we're seeing a lot of coins in green. You're pretty much, in the top 100, you're seeing quite a bit of green across the board, and coins are outpacing Bitcoin. But if you're looking at the price of Bitcoin right now, you guys might be a little confused because Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, but you're seeing altcoins, having the positive edge against BTC right now. So what exactly is causing that? The reason as to why this is the case is because of Bitcoin dominance, and I'm going to get a little bit more into detail once I pull out that chart. But if you're looking at majority of the market, especially altcoins, they are definitely looking good. But speaking about the top 100 coins, we're not seeing Bonk in the top 100. It's made its way back below the top 100 coins. As you can see, Bonk on the daily time frame is up 3.3% over the past 24 hours, and we're going to take a little further look as to what exactly is happening. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the Bonk overall rank in the cryptocurrency market ranks, it's currently ranked at the top 111 spot. So we're seeing some of the other altcoins that did not move, that did not outpace Bonk earlier in the past few months, that are outpacing Bonk as we speak. So it's no secret that we're seeing Bonk down below the top 100. As of now, the overall interest is a little lower on the Bonk's end, but that is totally okay in my opinion. Of course, you guys know I think Solana, due to its massive ecosystem growth, I think Bonk is going to be a huge contender, for that, and I think it's going to really benefit from the Solana ecosystem, which it already has been doing. So the future is really bright in my books, but of course that's just my own personal opinion. Only time is going to tell. Now, if we're looking at Bonk's price, it's currently sitting at 1178, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, up 3.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 2.9% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're looking at its market cap, $767.8 million with the 24-hour trading volume at 55.2 million. And going back to what I just said earlier, we're not seeing as much interest coming in Bonk right now because there's a lot of other coins that are popping off throughout the roof that did not make it over the past few months. So those are the ones that a lot of people have their eyes on. But as we do go further into this bull market, the more bullish I get on Bonk. And of course I'm going to share some more details that give me the confirmation why I am so bullish and why I continue to be bullish on this SPL token. You see on a continuous basis these shillers that are on Twitter, random meme coins, which are, now hear me out, these random meme coins that these guys are shilling. A lot of newcomers might not understand this. Just because someone on Twitter is saying, XYZ or whatever coin they're shilling is the next Bonk doesn't necessarily mean that will pull Bonk. These exact people that do that, I'm not going to name any specific people. These are the same exact people that get paid massive chunks from the team, and guess what they do? Once the price goes up, they are dumping on their own viewers. And guess what? Your boy Crypto ZX gets tons of those offers. We'll give you this much money to cover our meme coin. Absolutely not. If it was for money, who doesn't like free money? But no, I'm not interested into that. And also, one thing I want you guys to understand, that these other quote unquote influencers talk about is, the next Bonk, next this, next that. You want to be looking at the exchanges Bonk is listed on. Do you really think, these Coinbase executives or whoever is in charge of, or Binance, or all these massive exchanges that have listed Bonk, do you really think that they're going to come out and launch all these other meme coins that are launching day by day? And speaking about meme coins, we're seeing meme coins launching literally day by day. As we speak, there's a meme coin that probably just got deployed right now. So these are some factors you need to keep in mind, especially if you're a newcomer coming into the markets. Not everything will get to market valuations like Bonk, like Pepe, like Shiba Inu, like Dogecoin, Floki. But that's just my overall rant. But let's get right into it. So if we're looking at Bonk, they did make an announcement about 6 hours back. I wanted to kind of make an update earlier, but I did not have time. But of course, we're gonna cover this right now. So what Bonk has done is it says it's time to bonk through the wormhole. Users who bridged Bonk with wormhole crypto or used the buybonk.com bridge, stay tuned. As you know, wormhole is one of the biggest airdrops that is again coming for the Solana ecosystem, and this is one of the hyped ones as well. As of now, allocation checker, you can't really check in terms of if you're qualified or not, but I think we will be able to find out sooner rather than later. So now this is given a hint that they have something in the books. And what you're seeing is now this again is another confirmation for myself that Bonk could be massive and could pull like what Shiba Inu has done, especially the rate Solana ecosystem is growing. But what you're seeing is a lot of protocols are positively supporting Bonk. Because they know, what Bonk has done for the community. Let's face it, Bonk has done so much for the community. They're trying to give back to their holders in such a unique way possible, which we haven't seen a meme coin ever do as of now. And they're also bringing utility, exactly what Shiba Inu did in the previous bull cycle. In my honest opinion, and again, you're completely, unbiased. That's the word. I'm not biased. I'm completely unbiased. It's not because I like Shiba Inu or I like Bonk or I like one more than another. That's absolutely not the case. I always give you guys what I personally think, and this is what I think. In my opinion, Bonk is doing way more compared to what Shiba Inu was doing for its community. All I can think of Shiba Inu doing last bull cycle was burning that massive amounts of supply, huge amounts of supply, which honestly they didn't even burn, to be quite frank with you. It was Vitalik who decided out of his own heart to just burn it, and that was a huge bullish catalyst factor to take Shiba Inu to the level it went to. But Bonk is doing things in such a unique way only a few people see, in my opinion, and this is what makes me extremely excited for its future. And also what you could see is it says big congrats to our February Bonk art master, which is Josie Lu _art. Shout out to Josie Lu. It says to celebrate Lunar Year, Josie has created a limited edition dragon themed Bonk. May your new year be prosperous and full of good fortune. Link to the piece on exchange art. This is a beautiful looking art. So shout out to Josie for creating them. I'm loving it. But now let's talk about the price. So if we're looking at BTC right now, you guys are seeing Bitcoin taking a little bit of a dive. We did see Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a pullback. Bitcoin was sitting at about $51,568, but since then seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. So Bitcoin is not pumping, but obviously if you're looking at the top 100 coins, everything seems to be up, and that is due to the fact our good old friend Bitcoin dominance has gone down below 53%, and I think this is a huge factor as to why we're seeing a lot of altcoins outpacing BTC right now in the immediate short term. Because right now you guys might be thinking, wait, hold on, so why is, if Bitcoin is going down right now, it's below 51,500, why are altcoins not moving? Let me give you a quick indication. Bitcoin is still in the consolidation phase, as you can see. It's trading sideways, very healthy, and it's trading sideways around the 52K range to 51. You could pretty much say 51 to 52,000, and it's been consolidating around here since it's broke into this yearly high, and that is absolutely amazing to see. What we're seeing is either some of the Bitcoin profits are coming back into altcoins, honestly, that's what I think is happening right now, which is causing the Bitcoin dominance index to go down as we speak. But as far as Bonk is concerned, you're looking at the Bonk price below that crucial level of support, which of course now is a resistance once again. And as you guys know, we broke below it just 2 days back, but we're pretty much hanging at this level of support, which obviously we do have that kind of dates back to the early December move that we were seeing. So we do have quite a bit of support around here. I'm not surprised that we're being supported by this range, but in short words, what you need to kind of see is Bonk making its way back above that crucial level of resistance, which is only 11.15% move from the current price level. So let's take it one step at a time. Of course, this level of support is really, really important, because if this level is lost, then we could be in for the next support line, which is around 1085. And that is the next target I could be seeing for Bonk if we were to not hold around here. So these are some factors you need to keep in mind right now. But, we're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, you guys know my stance on Bonk. I think it's going to, pull all-time highs this year. After the entire market starts having its parabolic move. But we're going to take it one step at a time, and at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. We need to treat Bonk like a meme coin, because at the end of the day, it is a meme coin. But I'm very optimistic. My overall scenario has not changed at all. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.